show you how to cook the pininyahang manok.
So, I am Dane and she is
Sweetie Pearl.
So, we are going to cook the pininyahang manok. So, the ingredients that we are going to use is the second grip of coconut milk, the pure coconut milk, the potatoes, the carrots, the chicken, the garlic and onions, the Del Monte pineapple tidbits, and the oil, and of course, the magic.
So let's wait until the pan is hot. When it is hot enough, you should put the oil.
So, we wait until the oil is heat and we're going to saute the onion. You should put first the onion. Wait until it's golden brown before we put the garlic. So, we are sauteing the onion and garlic. Wait until it's golden brown before we going to put the chicken. So, when the garlic and onion is already golden brown, we put the chicken. We need to put the carrot and the potato. So, when the chicken is already golden brown, we put the second grip of the coconut milk. So, simmer.
We're gonna put the coconut milk. Yan.
So, after putting the pure coconut milk, we are going to put the Del Monte pineapple tidbits. We need to put first the magic syrup before we simmer it for 3 to 5 minutes.
So we're going to put the grounded pepper. Matagal to do.
So, wait until 3 to 5 minutes.
It's hot. Delicious.
For the final cut, I will put the basil coming from the garden of Sweetie Pearl. Ping, 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 ping.
Audio Jungle.